Everybody, it's me Patrick, and you know what? We can't go on forever without having a hilarious video. So, I got the rubber chicken, and I'm gonna do some really stupid sound effects, starting with this one. Or if I keep doing this with the chicken when I'm squeezing it, this is what it sounds like. Or this. Or this. Or this. I have to admit, it sounds like a baby. Let's just keep doing it. And for the grand one, let's do it again. I have to admit, guys, this is so funny. I'm suffocating the chicken right now. So yeah, thought it would be really funny to just do some of this. Enjoy the video, guys, and don't forget,